Welcome to this session on leadership styles and modern leadership behaviors. In this lecture, we will explore two essential leadership models, Nadler and Tushman's charismatic leadership and Hersey and Blanchard's situational leadership model. Additionally, we'll dive into the traits and practices that define modern leadership, such as building trust, fostering innovation, and inspiring teams. By the end of this session, you will gain a deeper understanding of how effective leaders adapt their styles to motivate and empower their teams in various situations. Let's begin this exciting journey into the world of leadership. Leadership styles serve as guiding principles for how leaders manage their teams and inspire them toward achieving shared objectives. This session introduces two significant leadership frameworks. First, we will explore Nadler and Tushman's charismatic leadership style, which emphasizes the influence of a leader's unique qualities to motivate and drive change. Next, we will study Hersey and Blanchard's situational leadership model, which focuses on tailoring leadership styles to meet the developmental needs of team members in varying situations. Both approaches highlight how leaders can be adaptable and impactful in achieving success. Charismatic leadership, as described by Nadler and Tushman, centers on leaders who possess distinct personal qualities that enable them to inspire others to achieve remarkable results. This type of leadership stands out because the leader's vision and actions become a driving force for transformation. The three critical components envisioning, energizing, and enabling are interconnected. Envisioning focuses on creating a clear and compelling picture of the future. Energizing brings motivation and excitement to this vision, encouraging team members to commit to change. Finally, enabling ensures that employees have the resources, tools, and support they need to succeed. Together, these elements create a leadership style that fosters high performance and innovation. The three elements of charismatic leadership work cohesively to create a transformational leader. Envisioning involves leaders painting a picture of an ambitious future and encouraging their team to believe in its feasibility. For example, a leader might propose innovative goals and outline how achieving them can benefit the organization and employees. Energizing focuses on the leader's role in inspiring enthusiasm and commitment. Leaders act as behavioral role models, showcasing passion and excitement, which encourages others to follow suit. Enabling involves providing the necessary tools, resources, and support to help employees achieve their goals. By offering rewards and celebrating successes, leaders foster a positive work environment where employees feel supported and motivated. The situational leadership model, created by Hersey and Blanchard, highlights the importance of adaptability in leadership. This model emphasizes that leaders should adjust their style based on the task at hand and the maturity level of their team members. Task behavior refers to how much direction and guidance the leader provides, while relationship behavior focuses on the level of support and collaboration offered. The key idea is that leadership isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Effective leaders assess the competence, skills and abilities, and commitment, motivation and confidence of their team members and adjust their leadership strategies accordingly to maximize performance and development. The diagram visually represents how the situational leadership model combines task and relationship behaviors to create four distinct leadership styles. The horizontal axis measures relationship behavior, which indicates how much emotional support and collaboration the leader provides. The vertical axis measures task behavior, which reflects the degree of direction and supervision offered. Each quadrant corresponds to a specific leadership style: S1, directing high focus on tasks, providing step-by-step instructions, with minimal emphasis on relationships. S2, coaching a balance of task guidance and emotional support, encouraging two-way communication. S3, supporting emphasizes collaboration and support while reducing task direction. S4, delegating low involvement in both task guidance and relationship support, allowing team members full autonomy. This approach ensures that leaders are versatile and responsive to their team's evolving needs. In the directing style, leaders focus heavily on task completion and provide detailed guidance on what needs to be done. This style is most effective when team members are new to a task or lack the necessary skills but are motivated to learn. The leader takes charge of decisions and ensures close supervision to achieve the desired outcomes. Communication is mostly one way, as the leader provides instructions without seeking much input. For example, when onboarding a new employee, the leader may outline specific tasks, set clear expectations, and check progress regularly to ensure successful completion. In the coaching style, leaders strike a balance between guiding tasks and building relationships. This approach is ideal for team members who have gained some skills but lack confidence in applying them independently. The leader explains tasks clearly and encourages open communication, inviting suggestions and feedback from employees. By doing so, the leader fosters trust and motivates employees to grow professionally. For example, during a training session, a leader might guide an employee through a project step by step while also encouraging the employee to share ideas and ask questions. This builds both competence and confidence, leading to better outcomes for both the employee and the organization. The supporting style emphasizes relationship building over direct task guidance. This style is appropriate when employees have developed the necessary skills to perform tasks but may lack confidence or motivation. Leaders in this style act as mentors, collaborating with employees and involving them in decision-making. By showing trust and encouragement, leaders help employees feel valued and empowered. For instance, a leader might work alongside an experienced team member who doubts their abilities, providing emotional support and reassurance while allowing the team member to take ownership of their work. This approach builds confidence and strengthens the team dynamic. The delegating style is used for employees who are both highly skilled and confident in their abilities. Leaders in this style take a hands-off approach, trusting team members to take full ownership of their tasks. This style promotes autonomy and encourages employees to make decisions independently, which boosts accountability and innovation. For example, a senior team member familiar with organizational processes may be assigned a project with minimal oversight, allowing them to apply their expertise freely. The leader remains available for support if needed but primarily focuses on outcomes rather than daily tasks. Modern leadership has evolved to meet the needs of dynamic, diverse, and global workplaces. Unlike traditional approaches, modern leadership emphasizes emotional intelligence, ethical conduct, and inspiring others through a shared vision. Leaders today are not just managers of tasks but also facilitators of trust, collaboration, and innovation. This introduction sets the stage for exploring key behaviors that define modern leadership, including vision, effective communication, and the ability to inspire others while maintaining strong ethical standards. Modern leaders prioritize creating a compelling vision that aligns with both organizational goals and the deeply held values of their employees. This vision acts as a roadmap, giving employees clarity and purpose in their work. Additionally, leaders build a positive image by being credible and trustworthy, ensuring that employees view them as role models. For example, a CEO promoting sustainability practices not only communicates the importance of these initiatives but also models eco-friendly behavior themselves. This inspires employees to embrace the vision and take meaningful action. Inspirational communication is a hallmark of modern leadership. Leaders engage their teams emotionally by sharing powerful stories or slogans that resonate with their goals. These messages create a sense of unity and motivate teams to strive for excellence. Moreover, leaders instill confidence in their followers by expressing high expectations and demonstrating trust in their capabilities. For example, a manager might motivate a sales team by recounting past successes and setting ambitious goals, while assuring the team of their ability to achieve them. This approach fosters collaboration, optimism, and a sense of shared purpose. Modern leaders inspire their teams through their passion and unwavering commitment to organizational goals. Passionate leaders radiate energy that motivates others to give their best. Additionally, self-sacrifice enhances a leader's credibility and demonstrates their dedication to the team's success. For instance, a leader might take on additional responsibilities during challenging times to ensure the team achieves its objectives. Such actions not only earn respect but also encourage employees to emulate these qualities in their work. Modern leaders act as role models, setting an example through their actions and behaviors. By demonstrating ethical conduct, dedication, and resilience, they inspire employees to adopt these qualities in their own roles. For instance, a leader who remains calm and focused during a crisis shows employees how to handle stress effectively. Additionally, confidence, determination, and persistence are critical for modern leaders. They exude trust in their vision and remain unwavering even when faced with difficulties. This perseverance motivates employees to stay committed and overcome obstacles together. Selective motive arousal involves leaders inspiring employees by connecting their personal motivations to organizational objectives. For example, a leader might highlight how an employee's contributions directly impact the company's success and align with their career growth aspirations. This connection fosters enthusiasm and drives action. Similarly, external representation is a vital modern leadership trait. Leaders act as ambassadors for their organizations, building relationships with stakeholders, partners, and the public. By projecting a positive and professional image, leaders enhance the organization's reputation and credibility in the industry. Inspirational communication allows leaders to connect emotionally with their teams. Through storytelling, slogans, and ceremonies, leaders create a shared sense of purpose that resonates with employees. For example, a leader might share success stories of overcoming challenges, motivating the team to achieve similar milestones. Furthermore, leaders who set high expectations challenge their employees to reach their full potential. By expressing confidence in their team's abilities, leaders build trust and morale, fostering a culture of excellence. Employees feel valued and empowered when their leaders believe in their capabilities. Passion is a key quality of modern leaders. By displaying genuine enthusiasm for their mission, leaders inspire employees to engage fully in their work. This enthusiasm is contagious and fosters a positive, energized work environment. Additionally, self-sacrifice reinforces a leader's dedication to their vision. For instance, a leader might forego personal benefits or work longer hours during challenging periods to ensure the team achieves its goals. These acts of selflessness earn the respect and loyalty of employees, strengthening their commitment to the organization. Building trust is a cornerstone of effective leadership. Transparent communication, consistent actions, and ethical decision-making create an environment where employees feel safe and valued. For example, a leader who openly acknowledges challenges and involves the team in problem-solving builds trust and collaboration. Inspirational leadership goes a step further by motivating employees to exceed their limits. Leaders foster creativity and innovation by presenting a compelling vision and empowering employees to take risks. This type of leadership creates a culture where employees feel supported and motivated to strive for excellence. Inspirational leadership in action often involves guiding an organization through challenging circumstances by presenting a clear and compelling vision for the future. For instance, a leader might take over a struggling company and inspire employees by communicating a roadmap to success, highlighting each team member's role in achieving it. By promoting innovation and recognizing contributions, the leader boosts employee morale and engagement. Over time, this approach leads to increased productivity, higher job satisfaction, and overall organizational success. Employees feel empowered and take pride in their contributions to the shared vision. Inspirational communication is one of the most impactful tools a leader can use to connect with employees. By sharing compelling stories or using metaphors, leaders make complex ideas relatable and motivating. For example, a leader introducing a company-wide change might share a personal anecdote that illustrates the benefits of embracing transformation. Additionally, motivation is enhanced when leaders acknowledge individual contributions and link tasks to employees' personal and professional aspirations. When employees feel recognized and aligned with organizational goals, they are more likely to take initiative and strive for excellence, resulting in better performance and job satisfaction. External representation involves leaders acting as ambassadors for their organization, ensuring that stakeholders perceive the organization positively. For example, a leader attending industry conferences or public events builds trust and credibility by effectively communicating the company's values and achievements. Equally important is the role of leaders in building an ethical culture within the organization. By demonstrating integrity, transparency, and fairness, leaders set a powerful example for employees. When leaders consistently model ethical behavior, it encourages employees to follow suit, creating a trustworthy and collaborative work environment that attracts and retains talent while improving the organization's reputation. In this session, we explored two foundational leadership styles: charismatic and situational, and examine modern leadership behaviors. Charismatic leadership focuses on a leader's ability to inspire through vision and energy, fostering employee engagement. The situational leadership model emphasizes the importance of adapting leadership approaches to match employees' competence and commitment levels, ensuring productivity and growth. Finally, modern leadership combines ethical behavior, emotional intelligence, and inspirational techniques to create a positive workplace culture. Leaders who integrate these approaches effectively build trust, motivate employees, and drive organizational success, making them well-equipped to handle the complexities of today's dynamic environments. Leadership is a dynamic and multifaceted process that requires leaders to balance guidance, inspiration, and empowerment. It's not just about managing tasks but about helping others unlock their potential and contribute meaningfully to the organization. As you move forward, reflect on the leadership styles you encounter in your personal and professional life. Identify what resonates with you and how you can incorporate these principles into your own leadership practices. Whether through inspiring communication, fostering an ethical culture, or adapting to your team's needs, every step you take as a leader can make a lasting impact. Thank you for joining us in this session on leadership styles and behaviors. We hope you found the insights valuable and inspiring. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on organizational behavior and leadership. Your support helps us create more educational resources for students and professionals. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.